Have you ever opened WhatsApp and suddenly seen the message, "This account is no longer allowed to use WhatsApp"? If this has happened to you, don't panic. In this video, I will explain the reasons behind this issue and provide clear steps to fix it. Understanding the problem. When WhatsApp displays "account no longer can use," it usually means your account has been banned or restricted. Not all bans are permanent. Some can be recovered if you follow the right steps. There are three main reasons this issue occurs. First, using unofficial WhatsApp apps such as GB WhatsApp, FM WhatsApp, or WhatsApp Plus. Second, violating WhatsApp's rules, like sending spam, joining too many random groups, or being reported by users. Third, your phone's operating system might be outdated and no longer supported by WhatsApp. Identifying your issue. If your screen says, "This account is no longer allowed to use WhatsApp," your number is banned. If it says, "You can no longer use WhatsApp on this phone," your phone version is too old. If you see, "Your account is temporarily banned," it is a temporary suspension, which can usually be resolved quickly. Solutions. For permanently banned accounts, go to www.whatsapp.com/contact, select WhatsApp Messenger support, and send a message like this. "Hello WhatsApp team, my number has been banned by mistake. I always use the official WhatsApp app and follow your policies. Please review my account again, thank you." Attach a screenshot of the error if possible and submit the form. You should receive a response within 24 to 72 hours. If the ban is temporary, your account will be restored. If it is permanent, this is your chance for a final appeal, so make your message polite and clear. If your phone is too old, update your Android or iOS version. If the issue persists, log in from a newer phone and restore your backup from Google Drive or iCloud to recover your chats. For temporary bans, uninstall any modded WhatsApp apps and install the official WhatsApp from Google Play or the App Store. Log in with your number and wait for the countdown to end, usually 24 to 48 hours. Preventing future issues. To avoid this problem in the future, always use the official WhatsApp app. Do not send bulk messages or spam links. Avoid joining groups that share illegal or suspicious content. Keep your app updated regularly. This is the complete solution for fixing the WhatsApp account no longer can use problem. Follow these steps carefully, and your account should be back in working order. If this guide helped you, like and subscribe for more practical tech tutorials and app solutions.